Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making some potato salad. It's gonna have Italian salad dressing in it. I have 2 chopped celeries, and I'm going to peel a carrot into long strings like this. Now I'm gonna cut the strings into slightly smaller pieces. Makes it easier for them to distribute throughout my salad. Okay, like that. I have a big bowl. I have 3 pounds of potatoes. I boiled them until they were fork tender. This is a cup of salad dressing, Italian salad dressing. I'm gonna mix this together. And I'm gonna let it marinate in the salad dressing, the potatoes by themselves, for 1 hour. Here are my potatoes. They have been marinating in the refrigerator for 1 hour in that tasty salad dressing. So now we're going to start adding the rest of our ingredients. I have a sifter. It's going to catch any seeds. I'm going to add the juice of half a lemon. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt for now. I'm going to taste it later. This is half a teaspoon of black pepper. This is 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley. This is my carrot and my celery. This is a 2-ounce can of sliced olives. Now I'm going to add some mayonnaise. As much as you want, at least a cup. You add it until it's your desired creaminess. Now I'm going to mix everything together. And here is my potato salad. It has a really good flavor. A little bit different. There's a lot of different types of potato salad. This one is really good with that Italian salad dressing and the extra lemon. Very, very flavorful. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.